Welcome to Springfield Reads, a virtual story time from Hyde Hall in Cooperstown, New York, and the Springfield Central Library. Today we are reading about trains. Our reader today is Hannah Conbeer, the librarian at Springfield Library. She will be reading Alaska's Train Story by Shannon Cartwright. We hope you enjoy this story.
This one's got dinosaurs in it. That one's got a whole bunch of animals in it. This one is about toys, different things in comets. Alaska. Okay, that's a good one. All right. Ready? Okay. It's called Alaska's Train Story by Shannon Cartwright. What kind of animals do you see?
Deer.
Deer, yeah. What else? Do you know any of the other animals' names?
Bear.
Yes, there's a bear.
There's a duck.
What about this one? Do you know what this one's name is? It's called a moose.
Mama.
A moose. That's an animal that lives way up north, Alaska. This Alaska story can now be told about a train of blue and gold. There, all the animals are looking to get on the train. Ding, ding, rings the bell. We're ready to go. They're all in there. All aboard. Find your seat. We're still moving slow. Past mountains and glaciers, clickety-clack. There's some mountain goats. And what else do you see? There's some more goats. No, there's 4 of them. And a bald eagle. Yeah. What about this one? Do you know what that one's called?
The duck.
Yes. Very good. Look, see the animals along the track. There's some bears, some more moose. There are whales and otters, moose, lynx and hares, wolves and caribou, swans and bears. Look, those whales are white. There's 2. Looks like a little baby. And there's beavers. All along the tracks of the train they live. Past rivers and forests we roll along. What are those bears doing?
Eating fish.
Yes, catching them. This one's getting away. The crew keeps her running steady and strong. There's the coal man and the train engineer driving the train. And this is the conductor. We sing, pull little engine, we know that you can. Show us the wonders of this northern land. Ding, ding, here we are at the end of the line. Thanks, little train. We had a great time. They're waving thank you. Right, that's a good story. Do you want to sing a song about...
Thank you for listening to our story today. To find out more about Hyde Hall or the Springfield Central Library, please visit us at our websites in the description box below. You can be a part of this project. If you would like to volunteer to read a story, or if your children would like to attend the live filming of the Storytime programs at Hyde Hall or the Springfield Central Library, please email Colin at the email in the description box below. Keep reading, Springfield!